Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are going to see how to display keystrokes and mouse clicks during screen recording. So, let's get started. First of all, we need to install an application called Keyviz. Keyviz is a free and open source software to visualize your keystrokes and mouse actions in real time. You can download this application from Microsoft Store for free. I have installed this software. Now let's explore it a bit. After opening the application, you will see some options related to mouse, keyboard, display, and settings. In the mouse section, we get the facility to visualize our mouse click on the screen. We also have the option to animate our mouse visual. You can change the color of the visuals, highlight the mouse cursor, and show mouse events such left click, right click, and drag. In the keyboard section, we get the options related to typography, layout, and background. Here you can increase the size of the font, change the color of the font, and the color of background as well. Next, we get the display option. Here you can adjust the alignment, duration, and the animation speed of keystrokes. In the settings, we get the option to filter the hotkeys. If you enable it, the app will display only hotkeys such as Control, Alt, Shift, etc. Try this application yourself and let me know if you find it useful. So, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.